The hunt for the ultimate home cinema setup never really ends. We are always looking over the horizon. We want to see what the big tech players are cooking up next. Right now, there is a lot of buzz about a certain upcoming display. This screen is not even on the shelves yet. Everything we are hearing is based on leaks and historical patterns. This is not just another tiny update. We are looking at a fundamental shift in how we see light and shadow. This specific brand has a history of shaking things up. They love to push the limits of what a budget-friendly screen can do. We expect some massive jumps in local dimming zones. This means the display has thousands of tiny lights in the back. Instead of the whole screen glowing, only the parts that need light actually turn on. This creates near-perfect blacks right next to bright highlights. It is the secret to making a movie look deep and realistic. Every year, this manufacturer tries to win the brightness war. They want to be the king of the sunny living room. Higher peak brightness means your high dynamic range content will actually pop. You will not have to hide in a dark cave just to see a movie. The colors should be much more vibrant too. Better calibration out of the box is a big rumor this time around. Most people never touch their picture settings. They just want it to look great the moment they plug it in. Then we have the processing power. The brain inside the display is getting a major artificial intelligence upgrade. It will handle upscaling much better than previous versions. That means your older shows will look crisp and clear. The physical design is also moving toward a more premium look. We are talking about bezels so thin they are almost invisible. It gives the illusion of a floating picture in your room. This brand usually keeps their prices low to disrupt the market. But with all these new features, the price could climb. We have to stay grounded. None of these specs are confirmed. Rumors can be wrong. Final units have not been tested by independent reviewers yet. We have to wait for the official reveal to know for sure. The software interface is another area where we expect a big leap forward. A faster chip means menus will be snappy. No more lag when you are trying to find your favorite app. The goal is a seamless experience from the moment you hit the power button. They are also looking at gaming features. High refresh rates and low latency are becoming the standard. This unit could be a powerhouse for the next generation of consoles. It is all about creating a versatile center for the home. Think about those moments when you are watching an intense space thriller. You want the void of space to be pitch black. You do not want a gray washed-out mess. This new hardware is aiming to solve that once and for all. If they pull it off, this could be the best value for your money in the coming years. It is a very exciting time to be a tech fan. We are watching the future of home entertainment take shape. We just have to see if the final product lives up to the hype.